the day. For that, today I'll give you a word, that is puddle. Puddle. How do you pronounce this? Puddle. 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 Which means a small pool of liquid, especially of rainwater on the ground. Look at this picture. Have you seen this before that? It's a small pool of liquid, especially of rainwater on the ground. Okay? In rainy seasons, we can see this puddle. Am I right? Okay. What's this? Puddle. Okay? Sentence. I played in puddle last week. Okay? Last week we had heavy rain. So I saw a puddle. I played. Got it? Puddle. Let's move on to our lesson. Today we are going to do workbook activities. Okay? I want all the students to take your workbook. Okay? Have you all taken? Take your workbook, page number 19. Okay? Open it, page number 19. Here we have some worksheet. Okay? We are going to do that. Got it? First one, wind chime, worksheet number 1. Write today's date. Okay? On date blank is there. Write today's date. Okay? Here is a list of materials. Choose any one of these and create something useful. Okay? Here they have given some list of materials. You have to choose any one of these and create something useful. Okay? What are the things they have given? First one, paper cups. Second one, straws. Third one, ice cream sticks. Fourth one, empty cardboard boxes. Then strings. Then beads. Then ribbon. Then last one, no, not last one, poster colors. Then last one, glue. Okay? You have to choose any one of these materials and do a useful thing. Okay? I think for this you need poster color and glue for everything you need, I think. Okay? So choose any other materials like paper cups, straws, ice cream sticks. Okay? Take any one materials and prepare a useful thing. Got it? Yes. Now I will play a video. Okay? The video is about preparing a beautiful basket by using paper cups. Okay? Watch the video and try to do that basket. Okay? Otherwise, no problem. You can take other things like straws, ice cream sticks, anything. Okay? We have plenty of videos on YouTube. Okay? And watch that and do many things. Okay? Shall we watch the video? Okay. Have you watched? Did you get any idea? Yes, okay. Now you have to choose anything from here and do a useful thing. Okay? Once you have created something, once you have done something, write down how you made it. Okay? Show your creation to your class. The picture shows a stand for hanging earrings made using ice cream sticks. Look at the picture. There is a standing picture is there. Have you seen that? That is made up of ice cream sticks. Okay? Like that, you can also do some useful things. Got it now? Then you have to write how did you do that. Everything step by step you have to write down. Okay? For example, in first sentence, how did they give? I used the materials. What material you have used? You have to write that. Okay? I used the material, paper cups, then straws, glue. What are the materials you have chosen? You have to write that. Okay? Then to make a or an, what did you make? Okay, you have to write that. Then first, what did you do? That one you have to write in next line. First, I took the paper cups and I cut it. Okay, like that you have to write. Okay, then what did you do? Then after that what did you do? Then next, what did you do? Then finally, what did you do and what did you get? All the things you have to write it here. Got it now? Okay. Try to do that useful things and try to write these sentences. Okay? Then let's move on to worksheet number 2. Okay, page number 20. Here, write today's date. Okay? Read this poem about some very important things that even kings and presidents cannot do without. Okay? You have to read this poem. The poem is about the important things that even kings and presidents cannot do without. Okay? You are going to read this poem and at last they have given some exercises. Answer these questions. You are going to do that. Okay? This worksheets everything for you. You have to improve your skill. Okay? Reading, then creativity, everything. Okay? So you have to read this poem again and again. 2 or 3 times you have to read this poem and answer these questions. Okay? I will share the answers in the next class. Got it? Okay. Shall we read? Once I'll read the poem. Okay? Listen the audio carefully. Again and again, 2 or 3 times you have to read it. Okay? Let's start. Everyday things. Millionaires, presidents, even kings can't get along without everyday things. Were you president, king, or millionaire, you'd use a comb to comb your hair. If you wish to be clean, and you would, I hope, you'd take a bath with water and soap. And you'd have to eat. If you wanted to eat bread and vegetables, fish and meat, while your drink for breakfast would probably be milk or chocolate, coffee or tea. You'd have to wear, you could hardly refuse underclothes, outer clothes, stockings and shoes. If you wanted to make a reminding note, you would take a pencil out of your coat. And you couldn't sign a letter, I think, with anything better than pen and ink. If you wanted to read, you would be sure to look at newspaper, magazine or book. And if it happened that you were ill, you would down some oil or choke on a pill. If you had a cold, I can only suppose you'd use a handkerchief for your nose. When you wanted to rest your weary head like other folks, you would hop into bed. Millionaires, presidents, even kings can't get along without everyday things. Okay? Have you listened? You have to read this poem again and again, then use your dictionary. Okay? If you don't know any meaning, you have to refer your dictionary and find out it. Okay? Then you have to write the answer these questions. Page number 21 and 22. Okay? Write it, take a snap and send it to me. Okay, children? Today we have covered two things. Okay? Worksheet number 1, then worksheet number 2. Worksheet number 1, you are going to do a useful material by using some materials. Okay? Paper cups, straws, like that. Then worksheet number 2, you are going to read the poem carefully. Then you are going to answer the questions. Got it? Can you do? Okay.